Today I'm going to show you how to safely use a buddy heater indoors. The first thing you need to do is make sure that the knob is in the off position. Next, screw a 1 pound cylinder tank onto the heater. For use indoors, you do not want to use a 20 pound tank. You can screw it to a 20 pound tank and leave the tank outside and run a hose through the window, but you do not want to bring the 20 pound tank itself indoors. Next, slightly depress the knob and turn it to the pilot position, and then fully depress the knob straight down to ignite the pilot. This may need to be done a few times if it doesn't light immediately. After the pilot light is lit, hold the knob in this position for 30 to 60 seconds. The pilot light should remain lit. Now again, slightly depress the knob and turn it to the high position. Leave it in the high position until the burner, this ceramic plate, turns bright orange. As you can see, the ceramic burner is now bright orange. Now you may adjust the output by turning it down to the desired heating level. When you are done using the heater, simply turn the knob to the off position. Now that the heater is off, unscrew the propane canister. And there you have it. That's how you use an indoor buddy heater to stay warm during an emergency. Remember to keep a carbon monoxide detector near the heater in the same room so that you know if the carbon monoxide levels get too high. These heaters can be purchased at Walmart, at many hardware stores, or on Amazon. You can find a link for Amazon in the description. You can find these little 1 pound cylinders at Walmart or at most hardware or sporting goods stores. If you still have questions about how to use your heater, let me know in the comments below.